Make your own body butter with essential oils. Body butter is amazing for men and women who suffer from sensitive and dry skin. Taking care of the skin is a difficult, and often tedious, task. Commercial body butter can be used to treat dry skin conditions, but it can cost a pretty penny. There is a better solution. You can make your own. This DIY solution for body butter is made using simple essential oils and other natural ingredients. You will love the results, and your sensitive, dry skin will soon be history. DIY body butter and essential oils. Ingredients to make this skin-loving body butter: you'll need 1/2 teaspoon of carnauba wax, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 3 tablespoons of cocoa butter, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, a few drops of one or more of your favorite essential oils. Step number 1: use a double boiler to melt the carnauba wax, cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil. The double boiler ensures the ingredients are sterilized. Step number 2: once all ingredients are melted, it's time to place them in the freezer for around 25 to 30 minutes, until your mix has hardened into a thick, almost solid, consistency. Step number 3: remove from the freezer and whip with an electric mixer. During this stage you want to form a fluffy light mix. You want a similar texture to that of creamed butter and sugar when baking. Step number 4: now add 6 to 8 drops of essential oil. You can suit your mood and skin with different oils. Some popular options are lemon and lavender essential oils, coconut oil and peppermint oil, almond oil and rose oil, or your favorite essential oil blend. Step number 5: pour into a butter dish or attractive container. This DIY body butter is effective, organic and natural. It's an amazing solution to help with dry skin.